Want to simplify tracking your crypto portfolio? Stick around and I'll show you how to master coin tracking in just a few minutes. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount. So, what is coin tracking? Imagine having a personal assistant that keeps track of all your crypto trades, profits, and losses. CoinTracking is an all-in-one platform that does just that. It supports over 12,000 cryptocurrencies and integrates with all major exchanges. Sounds cool, right? First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to CoinTracking, sign up, and log in. Easy peasy. Once you're in, the dashboard will greet you with an overview of your portfolio. It's like having a bird's eye view of your crypto universe. Now let's get your data in. Click on Enter Coins. You can manually add transactions, but who has time for that? Instead, use the direct import feature. CoinTracking can automatically sync with your exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Just a few clicks and bam, all your trades are imported. Next up, reports. Want to know your gains and losses? Head to the tax report section. CoinTracking provides detailed tax reports tailored to your country's regulations. No more headaches during tax season. Now let's talk about charts. CoinTracking offers advanced charting tools to visualize your portfolio performance. Click on charts and explore various graph options. You can track your portfolio value over time, see your asset distribution, and even compare your performance to the market. It's both fun and insightful. And the best part? The mobile app. Download the CoinTracking app to keep an eye on your portfolio on the go. It's like having your entire crypto arsenal right in your pocket. Before we wrap up, remember to click the link in the description below to get your special discount on CoinTracking. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Alright, that's a quick tour of CoinTracking. Easy to use, full of features, and a must-have for any crypto enthusiast. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.